This podcast is about the interval of a sixth and major sixth and minor sixth. Now, the way we build sixths, we talked about in an earlier class about inversions, interval inversions, and we learned that thirds always invert to sixths. So it doesn't matter what kind of third it is, if you have two notes that are a third apart and you flip the notes, either put the top one down or the bottom one up, the interval from here to here is a sixth. So that's how you can tell the difference between the two, thirds and sixths. Thirds invert to sixths. Now, the way we do our sixths here, or we do use the inversion. So let's say, for example, I have this note F, and I want you to build up a major sixth from F. We will invert it and build the inversion because major thirds and minor thirds are really easy to build. And minor third, if you remember, equals 3 half steps, or 3 keys on the piano, and a major third equals 4 half steps. Very important to remember. So if we're going to go up a major sixth from this pitch, we first want to go down. We kind of invert it. We go down a minor third. So you go the opposite direction from major to minor, and then sixth to third. So up a major sixth, you'll at the same pitch if you go down a minor third. So what's down a third from F? Down a third from F is the note D. That's just some kind of third. We know that. And we want to go down a minor third. So down 3 half steps. So here is the note F. We want to go down 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. That actually is the note D. It's the note. There's no accidental. It is the note D. So if D is down a minor third or 3 half steps from F, then D up above F is up a major sixth. You get the same exact note. So we use the inversion to find the actual pitch we're looking for. So up a major sixth is the same as down a minor third. So that's sixth, and that's how sixths work. Let's do a different one, a bass clef one. Why don't we start with the note, let's see, how about the note A flat? Okay, and we're going to go up a minor sixth. So the first thing you do, instead of up a minor sixth, is up a minor sixth is the same thing as down a major third. Down a major third. So the note is A flat. We can go right here. This is the note A flat right here. And instead of up a minor sixth, down a major third. Major third's also 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is the note we're looking for right there. Now that looks like an E. It looks just like an E. However, if we put an E down here, an E to an A, that's some kind of fourth. We need a third, not a fourth. So some kind of third is an F, right? And now, that F needs to sound like that E, and the way we do that is put a flat next to it. That makes it just sound just like E. So our note is F flat. F flat is down a major third from A flat. So if we put the F flat on top, F flat is also up a minor sixth from A flat. Okay, so the inversions work like that. Let's do one the opposite direction. We'll do a bass clef one here. Why don't we want to find from the note, let's see, the note E flat. We want to go down a minor sixth. So in order to find down a minor sixth, we want to invert all that. We're going to go up first a major third. So that's the inversion. Okay, here's the note E flat, and we probably should have done this the first time. It's going to be some kind of third, so the very next space up, space to space. So in order to find down a minor sixth, up a major third, so major third up from E flat. Let's go to the keyboard. E flat, major third is 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. The note is G, G natural, right? And that's what we have here, G natural. So up a major third is also down a minor sixth, and there's our interval. So in order to find sixths, we find the inversion, the third first. You just flip everything, flip the direction, the major or minor symbol, and 6 to 3, or either way, and you get the inversion. So that's how to build sixths.